Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to allow install unknown apps on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now you just click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on apps. You will see app is here, so click on apps. Now here you will see click on this three dot icon. So click on this three dot icon. You will see second option is special access. So click on special access. Now here scroll down. So click on install unknown apps. So after click on install unknown apps, you will see apps is showing here. So you will select apps from here. So turn on this button. So after turn on this button and click on here. So after click on here, go back to home screen, refresh phone, you will see your app is installed. So that's how you can allow install unknown apps on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.